पैडागोजी के हवाले से ये एमसीक्यूज़ पार्ट नंबर 8 है। जो पिछले पार्ट 7 है वो देखने के लिए आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर देख सकते हैं। तो इस वीडियो का पहला क्वेश्चन है, अकॉर्डिंग टू सोक्रेट्स ऑफ मेनो virtue is dash question mark. Its answer is option B, unteachable. Next question, the teacher should know the following things. Its answer is option C, in which field difficulty is faced by the children. Next question, which of the following is not emphasized in memory level of teaching? Its answer is option C, conducting tests along with teaching. Option C is correct here. Next question is, if one child gives answer to all questions at first in your class but disturbs the rest of the children and roams here and there in the class, then what will you do? Its answer is option C. Option C is correct. Engage that child in more activities than rest of the children of the class so that he may learn new things. C is correct here. Next question. The students learn most from those teachers who. Its answer is option A, are gentle. Next question. The psychological environment of the class is mainly the duty of dash question mark. Its answer is option B, class teacher. Next question. In evaluation approach of lesson planning, its answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. Bright students can be motivated well by. Its answer is option A, raising their aspiration level and goals of life. And the last question of this video is, on which basis the ability of teachers can be judged? Its answer is option B, personality of the teacher. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।